Hey famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. We are just a food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our house. Remember, in this house we try and fail, but we never fail to try. Now let's get to today's video. Today we are showcasing seafood ideas. Here we have a seafood boil, and yeah, this is our seafood boil. Just put everything together. Here we have prawns and lettuce, seafood boil, seafood boil, prawn, what is shells? Yeah, shells. Anyway, yeah, thank you for watching. These are the ideas that you can have in your homes. Remember to comment down below, subscribe and share the video, like the video. Thank you very much for your support. For those who have subscribed, thank you very much. I really appreciate you and may God bless you. Thank you.